Hey everyone, today I want to talk about something many learners secretly feel but rarely admit. You might be studying English for years, but still, when it comes to speaking, you hesitate. You get nervous, or words just don't come out. And you may even ask yourself, why am I still not fluent? So in this video, I'm going to share with you the real reason why fluency feels so difficult and how you can finally overcome the struggle. So if you stay with me until the end, I promise you'll see English learning in a whole new way. So the first reason is you focus too much on perfection. Yeah, you heard it right. One of the biggest reasons people don't become fluent is because they are chasing perfection. They think I can only speak when my grammar is perfect, when my accent sounds natural, when I know the exact word. But the truth is, fluency is not about perfection, it's about communication. Think of a child learning to speak. They don't wait to get every sentence right. They just speak, make mistakes, and learn from them. And that's exactly how you should practice English too. And let me tell you the truth. If you wait to be perfect, you'll wait forever. Now look at me. I'm not fluent. I'm still learning, but making YouTube videos for you. That helps me to improve my English, and I also can provide some valuable tips about English learning. So, if you're learning English, don't wait too long to be perfect. Just start speaking from day one. And the second reason, you don't train your speaking muscles. Most learners spend 95% their time reading and listening, and only 10% of less speaking. But fluency comes out from training your mouth, your tongue, and your brain together. Speaking is like exercise. If you only watch people running but never run yourself, your body will never get stronger. So even if you are alone, read a paragraph out loud, describe your day in English, or record yourself speaking. And you can talk to yourself about any random thing. And the more your mouth practice, the more natural your English will sound. And the third and biggest reason is you study English like a subject, not as a language. Many people still treat English like a school subject, memorizing grammar rules, doing exercises, or preparing for exams. But English is not just knowledge, it's a skill, it's a language that helps you to communicate with people around the world. And skills are built through practice. Think of cooking or driving. You can read books about cooking, but until you actually enter the kitchen, you will never know how it feels. So instead of only studying grammar, try to use English in real life. Send a text in English, write your shopping list in English, or talk to a friend. Write your diary in English. And the more you live with the language, the more fluent you'll become. So all you need to do to make English as a habit, to get involved with English, to add English in your real life for forever, not for a short time. And here is the fourth reason why you can improve your English. You learn, but you don't review. Here is another hidden reason. You may be learning a lot, but you don't review enough. Your brain is like a library. It can't keep every new words unless you remind it again and again. And here is a simple technique. It's called spaced repetition. That means a review after 1 day, and then after 3 days, and then after a week. And this way the word moves from short-term memory to long-term memory. And without review, you feel like you are studying, but when it's time to speak, the words disappear. And here's the fifth reason. You forget the emotional side of learning. What does that mean? Fluency is not about your brain, it's about your feelings. When you feel nervous, shy, or afraid of making a mistake, your brain actually blocks the words. Yeah, that's true. And that's why confident speakers sometimes know less grammar than you, but they sound more fluent because they are not afraid to try. So here's what you can do. Practice speaking in a safe place. Like talk to yourself, talk in your head, talk in the mirror when you are alone, and record a video of yourself, because the more you build confidence privately, the easier it becomes to speak publicly. And the sixth reason why you can improve your English: you don't stay consistent. So let's be honest, fluency takes time, but many learners study for 1 month and then stop for 2 months and then start again. And this breaks the flow. Think of learning like fitness. If you go to the gym every day for 1 month and then quit, your muscle will weaken. But if you keep a steady routine, even just 10 minutes a day, you will see the progress. So, and consistency is not about to learn a big bunch of words in a day, but learn small every day. So, choose consistency over intensity. So don't worry about studying long hours. Just stay connected to English daily, even in small ways. So the truth is, the reason you are not fluent yet is not because you are bad at English. It's because of these patterns: chasing perfection, not training speaking muscles, treating English as a subject, not reviewing, ignoring emotions, and losing consistency. And if you start changing these habits, you will see your fluency improve, not in one day, but step by step. You'll begin to feel more natural, more confident, and more free with your words. And fluency is not about perfection, it's about being yourself in English. And so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you find this helpful, please share with your friends. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.